Can you imagine what it is to hear the silence, even when everything around you makes noise? You're in a show, a conversation wheel, and, out of nowhere, it seems that the sound of the world disappears. The voices become noise. The hum does not disappear. The head barks. And you just wanted to hear it again. For real. If it scares you, you are not alone. Many people suffer silently. Constant buzzing. Difficulty to hear. Shame to ask for repeat. Fear of never hearing again as before. But what if I told you there is a natural way to get your hearing back? The name is Echoen, a supplement that acts from the inside out, as if it were a bodyguard for your ears. Protects. Regenerates. And the best, it helps to relieve that tinnitus that seems to have no end. No crazy formulas. No empty promises. Only natural ingredients, to improve circulation in the ear, fight inflammation and protect what you have most precious, your connection with the world. But attention, Echoen Original only on the official website. Link in description and comment fixed.